Transform your iPhone from a mobile device to a secure barcode scanner. The Linea Pro Rugged can be customized with a pistol grip and charger for greater comfort and endurance. With a user-friendly interface for easy adoption, teams can streamline inventory management with a comfortable smart scanning device. Be prepared for unforeseen challenges in your workday. The Linea Pro Rugged can scan barcodes in different conditions, adjusting to different environments, no matter how harsh. Stay moving without a dead battery slowing you down. With a single charge that lasts multiple shifts, teams are empowered to keep moving without hardware interruptions getting in the way. The Linea Pro Rugged is ready for the next shift and every challenge in between. We offer more than just a scanner. We provide a complete ecosystem of secure, programmable, and durable mobility solutions. IPCMobile, empowering enterprise workforces.